Hi guys, Tamara Lenkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Sorry, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I had surgery.
Yeah, I wonder why.
I'm telling you, I'm
Can't keep her out of this place.
I had a hernia fix. Anyway, this video is not about me. William came in last week and we talked him into getting a meal kit, and he's down how much?
13 pounds?
13 pounds. He's down 13 pounds in a week, and he was telling me you made a smoothie every day? So if you go on my website, HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and you click on the recipe book, one of the categories is smoothies. You can literally eat as many smoothies as you want and lose weight, just like William. And then you had a cake every day too, you said?
A cake and a wrap every day.
And a wrap every day. He's still got burgers left, and he's still got chickens left. He didn't even finish the meal kit. But he's down 13 pounds. And guys, this is not, he's the second person that's lost 13 pounds in a week. Okay, so that's more than normal. But you lose weight doing this, and the nice thing about this is the more you eat, the more you lose. So you can just go to town eating this food, and you'll just lose more and more weight because the food is so filling. And be honest, honey, how satisfied were you? Was there anything you were craving or anything at all?
Nope.
You felt good?
Every time I drink sugar, I just make it shakes.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. And that's the thing, and that is what happens, guys. You're not. The reason this works is because you're not depriving yourself of anything. I just had 2 customers come in today, and they said they were doing keto, and they were missing like the bread and the sweets and stuff, and we were able to help them with that. And over here, the more bread you eat and the more sweets you eat, the more weight you lose. So that's what's great about it. And this is kind of like keto on steroids. Don't forget, remember, I'm not doing all the high-fat keto. At the end of the day, when you do a meal kit, you're only at about 1,000 calories and 12 net carbs, but the food here is extremely filling. And that's why this works, guys, okay? And William's just another example of all the other customers. Go on the website, HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and look up testimonies, and you'll see plenty of testimonies like William. Okay, do you want to say anything else before we go, honey? All good? All right. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching.